8 reasons why you should start eating pineapple today. Pineapple is more than just a delicious tropical fruit, it's also extremely beneficial for your health. Abundant in vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants, it's one of the best foods you should eat regularly. Pineapples are members of the bromeliad family, which is the only bromeliad that produces a fruit that can be eaten. In fact, the fruit is made of many individual berries that grow together around a central core. Each pineapple scale is an individual berry. The nutritional benefits of pineapples are just as impressive as their unique appearance. Pineapples provide a rich source of vitamin C, manganese, dietary fiber, and bromelain. Additionally, they contain vital minerals and vitamins, such as folate, vitamin B6, beta-carotene, riboflavin, thiamine, potassium, magnesium, and pantothenic acid. Due to the high antioxidant content, pineapple protects the body against cancer and other diseases. Also, the alpha-hydroxy acids prevent premature aging of the skin and reduce the signs of aging. Here are 8 reasons why you should start eating pineapple. Anti-inflammatory. The astonishing amounts of bromelain which can be extracted from the stem and core of the pineapple have the ability to reduce inflammation. Improved digestion. The rich fiber content helps to improve the digestive system while preventing diarrhea, constipation, and irritable bowel syndrome. Boost immune system. The standout nutrient in pineapple is vitamin C, therefore, it assists the activity of white blood cells to improve the immune system and protect against various diseases. Bone health. Along with calcium, the rich content of magnesium is essential for the health, growth, and improvement of bones. Reduce arthritis pain. Pineapple is largely praised for its ability to reduce joint and muscle inflammation, due to high bromelain extract. Regulate blood pressure. One of the essential minerals in the body is potassium. It helps to reduce stress and tension in blood vessels, prevents clotting, and stimulates blood circulation. Fight colds and coughs. The high vitamin C and bromelain content may help reduce mucus in the throat and nose. So if your cold has you coughing, thus will clear the respiratory tract and sinus cavities. Better oral health. The powerful astringent properties preserve the teeth, strengthen the gums, and prevent tooth loss.